This inflation Schrader valve connects to air springs and other components that use a 1/4 inch outer diameter air line to provide a manual inflation point. Valve is made of durable brass material for maximum strength. Comes with a threaded nut for fixed surface installation and a protective cap to keep out dirt and water. Hose is installed by pushing the tube into the hole until the mechanism locks. To remove the hose, simply press the release button. No tools are necessary. A high-quality valve manufactured to the highest standards required for air suspension applications.